Hey there, audio adventurers looking to level up your sound game without breaking a sweat. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of digital mixers, those magical boxes that make you sound like a pro even if you're just starting out. We've rounded up 5 absolute gems that are totally worth checking out. So grab a seat and let's get into it. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Soundcraft digital mixer, this little marvel. It's like having a top-notch sound engineer right in your pocket. Seriously, you can control 16 inputs, all wirelessly, from your tablet or laptop, which is just crazy convenient, especially when you're running around a venue or trying to get the perfect mix from the back of the room. The sound quality is crystal clear, no static, no fuss, just pure audio bliss, and it's built like a tank too, ready for the road so you don't have to baby it. Basically, the ultimate audio command center for your stage. Next up, we have the Mackie Digital Mixer, and holy cow. This thing is an absolute game changer for anyone in the podcasting, streaming, or YouTube world. It's adaptive, meaning it practically thinks for you. With user modes and mix agent technology that'll have you sounding like you've been doing this for years, even if it's your first time. It streamlines your setup, cuts down on headaches, and just makes professional audio a piece of cake. Basically, your new best friend for sounding amazing online. Moving on to the PreSonus Digital Mixer. This one's a bit of a classic, a real workhorse that still holds its own. It's got that intuitive, hands-on console feel, but with the power and flexibility of digital processing, giving you 16 inputs to play with. The USB connectivity makes recording a breeze, and its robust build means it can take a beating on the road or in the studio. If you're looking for reliability with a touch of old-school cool, this is it. Basically a classic powerhouse that still hits all the right notes. And then we've got the Fulo Digital Mixer, a real contender that packs a punch with its 16 channels and 99 DSP effects. This professional audio console offers incredible versatility, letting you sculpt your sound with precision, whether you're mixing a live band or running a DJ set. The USB input is super handy for playback or recording, and its user-friendly interface means you won't be tearing your hair out trying to figure things out. Basically, the brainy mixer that brings your sound to life, no sweat. And to wrap things up, we have the Yamaha Stereo Mixer, a compact powerhouse that truly works like a charm for smaller setups or submixes. With 10 inputs and a whole array of built-in effects, you can add some serious sparkle to your vocals or instruments without needing a ton of extra gear. It's sturdy, reliable, and delivers that signature Yamaha quality, making it perfect for home studios, small gigs, or even just practice sessions. Basically, the compact wonder that makes your tunes sing with professional polish. So there you have it, 5 fantastic digital mixers to get your audio sounding tip-top. Whichever one you pick, you're in for a treat. Thanks for tuning in.